Hello everyone, how are you today? I'm fine, thank you. Today you have to do the activity number 5 of page 16. Okay, in this activity you have to read and you must tick if the sentences are true, or you cross if the sentences are false. For example, look at this picture. Look at this ginger man. Sentence number 1 says, I've got eyes. This is true because this ginger man has eyes. So you must do a tick. In sentence number 2, I've got a nose. This is false. Okay, this is not true. It's false because this ginger man hasn't got a nose. So you have to put a cross. Okay. Number 3 says, I've got a mouth. So you must look, and if it's true, you must do a tick. And if it falls, you must do a cross. In this ginger man, we are going to read. Number 4, I've got legs. So you must see if he has got legs. And if it's so, you must do a tick. And if not, you must do a cross. Sentence number 5, I've got arms. The same, you must do a tick or a cross. And number 6, I've got ears. Okay. Then you have to do exercise number 6. And we are going to read it. Draw your own gingerbread man. Right. What do you have to do? You must draw here a gingerbread man, okay? And you must write a description. Here I have done an example, okay? I have drawn gingerbread. And then I write, I've got 2 eyes. I've got 1 red mouth. I've got 2 arms. I've got 2 legs. Okay, this is all for today. Esto es todo por hoy. Si tenéis alguna duda o no sabéis hacer algo, me escribís por el correo y yo os soluciono todas las dudas, ¿vale? Bye bye, butterflies.